Gorillaz, my favorite band, 2D. So guys, today we're gonna sculpt 2D blue hair guy from the band. So his name is Steve actually, and he is absolutely have fantastic voice. But when I read about his biography, I realized he had a twice head injury, which is caused his black eyes, guys. So, but you see, even he had an accident, he has fantastic voice. So guys, as you can see, his shape of his face oval, slightly elongated, narrow jawline. So his eyes is large, round, black because of his accident. So color is he has a eye bag, so under eyes, and I give him them little bit shape of little bit slightly wrinkles. So his eyebrow is thin, it's little bit darkish black color. So the mouth, he has quite a slightly open mouth, and he has a teeth which he has a gap. I think one of his teeth, I think, is broken. So that's why you have to give that shape. And his hair color is blue. Oh, I love blue. So you use all polymer clay. So give a little bit slightly wrinkles. And after when you sculpt it, you need to bake the head, guys. So his head is ready for baking. So I'm gonna measure his head with his body, because after when it's this is after baking, guys. I'm giving them a little bit blush and color. So I'm gonna start baking now the body. So his body is, as you can see, he's a very slim guy. He's not muscular or bodybuilder. That's why we're gonna just use slightly skinny shape of his body. So his shoulders a little bit narrow, and as you can see, he's a cartoon character. He's not a real person, and he has long hair, long hands, sorry guys, and long legs. So his hands are gonna be quite longish. So guys, I'm sculpting his leg. So if you notice, his leg a little bit slightly bony. He's very slim guy. That's why you need to cut whatever the clay you needed to cut and give a shape as a jeans, very skinny jeans, guys. So what about his clothes? He love wearing t-shirt and jeans. As I can see all the time on his music videos, he's wearing jeans and t-shirt, something like that. And that's why you give that shape. It's all polymer clay. And after that, we're gonna sculpt his shoes. His shoes is always he's like a sneakers or boots. So this time I'm sculpting slightly little bit boots. And his hands, yeah guys, it's his hands quite a little bit long, as a cartoonish. His fingers so long as well. That's why make sure to focus on that as well. So after that, all this whatever is sculpt, we're gonna bake it. So as you can see, it's nearly ready. So after that, I'm gonna sculpt his hands and bake it. So at the moment I'm sculpting his hand, as I said, his fingers quite long, and when he play guitar or sing song, and he has quite creepy hands. But his voice, oh my god, I love his voice. 2D, you're my favorite character from the band. One day I hope you're gonna see that and put like or whatever. I don't know. So guys, would you like to sing a song? One of his song there, shall I? So that's I'm painting now. Yeah, this is acrylic paint. So guys, just use acrylic paint. Just be careful, because don't rush, just be careful, because when you paint, if dry, it's very hard to take it out from the clay. And number 3, so let's little bit I sing a song. What do you say? Coming up, coming up, coming up. I hope it's that's thank you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye for now.